Hello friends, welcome to BISP Trainings. This is another video in Odoo 13 series. Today I am going to show you how to add a search panel in an XML file. In our last video, what we have done, we have added a default search here, and in this way we can search here. But now I want to search through sources. So this is called the search panel. I have added a search panel here, and with the help of this I want to search the data or filter the data on the basis of sources through which the lead has come. So in this way I can search the data. For this we need to follow only one extra step. For default search we have followed these two steps in our last video. Insert a search tag and add a search default criteria. And to add a search panel we have to add a search panel tag inside search tag and below the filter tag. Let me show you how it is done. This is default search. These are the two filters that we have added, and this is the search default criteria. Now to add a search panel, what we have to do, we have to add a search panel tag. Inside the search tag here and below the filter tag like this, and in this way we can be able to search the data through lead source. Now where does this lead source comes from? This lead source comes from here. This is the lead source: advertisement, customer event, partnership, like this, and this is the lead status. So now I want to filter the data on the basis of lead source. Now let's again go to the apps and then upgrade this module. Just look at this. This is called the lead source search panel. Now suppose look at this. This is the advertisement lead source. That means this lead has come through advertisement source. Now if I click here customer event, there is no lead. If I click here advertisement, so it appears here. So in this way we can filter the data with the help of search panel also. Now if I want to add one more filter, that is the lead status. So what I need to do, that is here lead status. I will just add the lead status here, just below this lead status. This lead status, it comes from here: unqualified, new, working, nurturing. So again I am going to refresh it and then I will upgrade it. Look at this. Here lead status also added. Now if we see here, this is lead status is unqualified and source is advertisement. Now if I click here new, that means this both combination is not available right now. If the lead source is advertisement and lead status is unqualified, then it will be seen. Now if I click here new, then this combination is not appearing. So we can add or we can filter the data on the basis of combination. We can add as many combinations as we want. So if I click here all and all, in that case it is appearing. So this is how we make use of lead source, search panel, because we want to search the data on the basis of combination of data. So in this way we make use of search panel. So friends, in our next video, we will see how a lead is converted into opportunity. We will create one more option here, opportunity. So till then, goodbye. If you like my videos, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.